What's going on, everybody? Thank you for... Hit us up, leave a comment below. You know what to do. Follow, like, and subscribe. And if you want, make sure you always subscribe, because I didn't... What the fuck? Today we're actually going to show you 3 versions. We have more coming out, made of 16 thick... So check this out. It is our third window covers. It's our... What is going on, everyone? Thank you again for tuning in to another amazing MFC Garage episode. Today we're going to show you a simple installation, yet again another 5-minute install video that shows you how to apply our third window covers to the back of your Jeep and actually give it some style with some accessories that are pretty much found nowhere else. Today we're going to show you a couple of versions that we have right behind me. These are made of a 16 thick 5052 aluminum powder coated with a satin black using 4611 3M VHB adhesive, so you know it's going to work perfectly during warm weather, cold weather, inclement weather, everything that you expect, because it is found only on automotive vehicles in the automotive field. The necessary steps to do this is just make sure you have a clean window to start with. You'll see us cleaning the window, removing the release liners on these panels, and then just applying it to the window. Make sure you apply enough pressure to apply it evenly across all the pieces, depending on which unit you have. The Molly panels have different locations of the adhesive, same as the flag, or the other flags that we have that are either Canadian or a tattered version. So once again, everyone, follow along with the instructional video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and make sure you always like, follow, and subscribe. And once again, thank you for always supporting MFC Offroad. The liner off the VHB adhesive, and then we're going to marry it to the window. Yeah, absolutely. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just applying pressure to the adhesive, because the adhesive gets activated when you apply pressure. And everyone's going to ask, well, how do you clean the window after it's been put on? And I will gladly show you how you do it. So, you can see we've cleaned it before. There's a couple of fingerprints. Just use a Terry cloth towel or microfiber, a window cleaner. Just like that. Everything's clean now. Just like so.